Guys, how are you all? I hope you are having a wonderful day. So welcome to another video of the channel. Today we will discuss how you can make a coloring book from scratch. Sorry for my voice, I am having cold. So right now I am trading gold. As you know, I only trade gold. So I bought it from here 1788 and my TP would be 1803 and most probably it will touch and I will make somewhere around 400 to 500 dollars in profit. So if you are someone who is new to the trading, I will make some trading videos if you want. So do let me know in the comments. So today we will discuss how you can make a coloring book from scratch, from zero to making a coloring book in less than 5 minutes. So let's do. You don't have to hire anything, you don't have to make your coloring pages. I will tell you the trick how you can make coloring pages in less than 2 minutes and make your coloring book in less than 5 minutes. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go to any vector sites. Let's suppose I am going to vectz.com and let's suppose you are making a coloring book on dragons. So let's just search dragons and click on vector images. I'm on vectors. So let's try to find some vector. It's look nice, but sorry, it's a pro download. We don't have a pro subscription right now because I'm not creating any books right now. Oh, it's a free. Let's go and download this. Free download, starting download. Yes, it's downloaded now. Now what we have to do, just go to canva.com. Oh, I have a VPN open. Okay, let it do. Go to home. Go to home to projects. Let me just off my VPN and create design. We are creating 6 by 9 inches of a coloring book. Now we have a page, and then what we do, it's a zip file. Just converted zip file to image. You just open it, vectz vector illustration dragon. Just go to upload files, downloads, vectz, and here it is, your vector. Oh, we just missed a step, sorry. When we converted it to image, we have to go to sketch outline. It's a website which create your vector into coloring page. Just wait, select an image from your device, vectz, here is your vector image, click on it, and look, your coloring page is ready. Okay, it's look good. Yeah, it looks good. That's what you have to do, just go and download it. Sorry, yes, we have to download it now. It is created now. Download or print a one page. Just go and save to your computer, and it's downloaded now. As you are come to Canva, drag this image and put it in. Here it's your first coloring page is done. Let's make another one. Go to vector, choose dragons, choose a dragon which is free. It's paid, it is free, but I don't like the design. This is it's look cute and it's free too. Let's go and download it. It's downloading. Just wait for 5 seconds and it's downloaded. Oh, sorry. Now it's converted. Vectizy cartoon baby. Let's just go to converter and just download. Yes, this one, and it's uploaded and converted. Make it a little darker. You can adjust whatever suits to you. Now coloring page is ready. Download it. Just come to another page. Drag this and adjust this. Second page is ready. You can do it more and more. If you want to make 100 pages, you can make 100 pages. If you want to make 50 pages, you can make 50 pages. This is how you can make your coloring pages in less than 5 minutes. If you are someone who is doing more and more, repeating this step more and more times, you will be make your coloring in less than 5 minutes. So this is how you can make your coloring pages without spending $0 on anybody. You can make your own. No skills needed. Just you have to follow the basic steps which I tell you. So this is the end of the video. If you like it video, like this. If you're someone who's new to the channel, subscribe it, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Over and out.